Hi, it's Steffi's Beads and Baubles, and I have a fun little Hobby Lobby haul, just crafting materials. Big surprise, some pom-poms. I wanted to get some other colors of the glitter, but there isn't much to choose from. And then I wanted some just plain soft green. And I got some cute little trees and some little ornaments. And these are from my own collection, but I might do something fun for you guys with them too. I always collect interesting things that are beaded and sequined, or in this case just sequined. I got some more little trees that are cute and fun. And I got some of those beautiful rhinestones. What are they called? I think there's a particular name for these where they look like a cluster. Each one looks like a cluster of rhinestones. And there's the clear, the red, and the green. And of course all the Christmas at Hobby Lobby is 50% off. And I don't really have any rhinestones, so I thought, you know, I need some rhinestones. So I got this big bag, and it's clear red and green in all the different sizes. I don't think it says. Just 1,500 pieces for $2.50 because all the Christmas is half price. And then I got this cute little kit here, and I got some little snowflakes, and I got these snowflakes, and some little reindeer, and some little ornaments. And I thought these bells were so pretty. And I wanted some little red and green jingle bells. And again, everything was half price. And then I had this lace I bought for a project I want to do for you as well. So just a simple craft supply. Nothing terribly fancy. No beads. We didn't even go to the beads today. We just got in and got out. I got a few Christmas fun crafts to play with. Not even sure what I'm doing with half this stuff. I just wanted to have some fun things to create with and see what I could come up with for you guys. I just thought it'd be fun. A few things I do know what I'm doing with them, and a few I have no clue at all. I just bought them for the sheer fun of it, so I could just make up some fun things. So anyway, that was a real quick 2-minute video. Not very long. Wasn't much to show. But I just thought I'd share it with you guys, and I'll be back again soon. I've been recording and scheduling. My husband's surgery is a week from Monday, and I want to make sure I have plenty of videos through his first few weeks of recovery, and I do. I have enough projects that I'm going to record over this next week to keep us through the end of November and into the beginning of December. And as I record some ornament videos, and I'm still working on my friend Lisa's parrot, as I get those done, those will bump some of the other videos a little bit further out. So anyway, thank you so much, and I will be back really soon. I hope you enjoyed this very short, especially for me, tiny little haul video. I'll talk to you later. Bye.